What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when virus and threat protection actions are not working or not available on your Windows PC. Sometimes, when using Windows Defender, you might encounter a message indicating an issue with starting actions for virus and threat protection. This can happen for a couple of reasons, such as corrupted temporary files with the Windows Defender history or glitches in the threat protection mechanism. To resolve this, begin by opening your File Explorer. This can be done by clicking on its icon in your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and E on your keyboard. Once the File Explorer is open, navigate to your local disk C drive or on whichever drive Windows is installed. In the File Explorer window, you see a tab bar at the top. Click on the View tab and then look for an option titled Show. Under Show, you'll need to select Hidden Items. This action allows you to see files and folders that are not visible by default, which is necessary for the next steps. Next, you're going to navigate to a specific path within your C drive. Type or paste the following into the address bar of your File Explorer: C/program data, /Microsoft, /Windows Defender, /scans, /history. This will take you directly to the folder where Windows Defender stores its scan history. Inside the history folder, you find various files and folders. Your task here is to delete everything within this folder except for one specific item, the Cache Manager folder. The Cache Manager is crucial for Windows Defender's operation, so make sure to leave it untouched. After you've deleted the necessary files, the next step is to restart your PC. This action will allow the changes to take effect and Windows Defender to reset its internal history tracking. Restarting your PC is as simple as clicking on the Start menu, selecting the power button and then choosing Restart. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.